In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from Chime to Cash App quickly and easily. First, open the Cash App on your phone and navigate to the Banking tab, the $ icon on the home screen. Next, tap on Linked Banks and choose Add a Bank. Here, select Chime from the list or manually enter your Chime routing and account number, which you can find by opening the Chime app, going to Settings, and selecting Account Information. Copy the routing and account number and paste them into Cash App to link your Chime account. Once your Chime account is linked, go back to the Cash App home screen, tap Add Cash, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the transaction. The money will be moved from Chime to Cash App instantly if you choose the instant transfer option, with a small fee, or within 1 to 3 business days if you select the standard transfer, which is free. That's it. You've successfully transferred money from Chime to Cash App in just a few steps. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.